Look at these guys. They are on their what is that? Corvette. Guys, it's 6.99 for, oh, this is like a daylily. See, these are like some early spring. Oh, it's an early spring flowers. Oh, tulips. I think this is tulips. You know, guys, I don't know. I don't know my flowers. I am not too botanically inclined, but yeah. Oh, now I know now. This one for sure. I know it, right? This is daffodils. Of course, I should better. I guess I should now start like looking for plants every now and then, so that I would know my plants. So there you go, guys. Actually, me and my husband are in the garden part of Menards. You know, the hardware store. Spring flowers, yeah, that's what they are. You know, different assorted different spring flowers. That means they bloom in the early spring. So yeah. These are like the knockoff roses. So they are a little bit cheaper than the real roses. But of course, the real roses is hard for me to take care of. But the the knockout roses, see what they said? Like they're knockout roses. They are easy to take care of. And that's what I have. If you have seen my vlogs, I have planted it last year. And then during yung nag-snow ng marami, ano eh, parang na may icicles yung flowers ko. Ayan, ito yung ano, yung knockout roses yon. So, yeah. Hindi naman, wala pa silang maraming ano guys, wala pa silang maraming plants na nailabas. Kasi, ano eh, it just started to kind of warm up, you know. It's like early spring, ang karamihang ilalabas nila ay iyon lang yung mga perennials. Eh ngayon, nagsisimula na sila naglalabas. Ito pa, these roses are considered perennials. So ngayon, nagsimula silang naglalabas ng annuals, yung mabilis flowering plants, tapos mamamatay din after summer. So ito yun guys, ito yung one of the cypress. There you go. Kasi like I said, I'm at Menards. Me and my husband are at Menards right now. So ayan, wala pa silang maraming mga nailabas na plants galing sa greenhouse, or I call it nursery. So ayun na muna ngayon. So this one here guys are perennials of course. Ayan. Carnation. Go guys, look what we have here. Sweet potato vine, and these are well, it's not really expensive, but yeah, $1.99 yung isang ganito guys is $2. So yan, for a sweet potato. Our tools guys, ayun oh. Yan, mag-shopping kasi dito sa Menards. Yan guys, yung Menards din may mga ganito din sila, mga stuffed animals. See, that's what I'm telling you in my previous vlogs, that Menards, even though it's like a hardware store and everything else, lumber store, but yeah, they've got everything. They've got everything for the family. And guys, like I said, pati yung mga bata, 'di ba? Oh, different colors. Ako nga ma-enjoy pa nga ako sa mga let me see, toys nila dito. Guys, sorry guys, we just left Menards, and so I'm just gonna stop by here at the Asian store. Well, my husband and I are stopping at the Asian store, and I'm just gonna get another 2 boxes for my balikbayan box. So yeah, that's where we are right now. Look at them guys, it seems like they have a lot of stocks today. Boxes on each aisle. They probably have new stuff, but they haven't put it up yet, and I just don't have time to go through their new stuff for now. Another boxes here guys, boxes and boxes. Oh, I was gonna show you what I found yesterday. This is, let me see, it's banana chips. What's this from? Product of Colombia, but it says Maduritos. Wow, wow. With crispy rings with poppy seeds. I bet you this is gonna taste like it's probably taste kind of more like pretzels. I know, product. Wow. See guys, product of Russia. Imagine that. Guys, this is new. I haven't seen this before. They have an aisle for Russian food already. Gusto mo choco? What did it say? See guys, I think I'm just taking pictures of this since it's under their Russian food section. But I think it's just kind of mixed. They just make a so-called section under Russian. I don't know, is this like a something Russian? Is this like a Russian writing? It's something, it looks like a strawberry, so it's something like strawberry, huh? Hey guys, they have something new too, look at that. This must be, now this must, guys, this is probably one of this. I think what it is, that's what it is, mixes, oh that's seasoning. Oh, this is kind of like dry rub. Yeah. Look at here guys, wow. Look, we have big Milo, let me see. Of course, you know ma'am, this is only 1.5, well 1.8 kilos. So I bet you this is expensive, but the one that I got at Sam's Club, just like 1.5. It's about this much, but it's on the bag, not on the can. Look guys, there's the Ovaltine. Guys, this is new too. Guava paste. I think, I don't know. I think if I, oh, it's probably, if it's the American way, that's what they call it, like apple butter. So it's gonna be like guava butter. I think so. It kind of looks like it, but this is new too. I don't know if I would. I think about it. Guys, here's my 2 boxes. Huh?
It's for faster speed.
Okay. So right now I want it when it's hard for me to pedal, so that I can.
You got 3 gears up front too. That's on your left side.
Okay. Okay. So yeah.
You got.
What? I think I have one.
You got 24 speeds.
Okay. I only need 3, right?
You got 8 in the back and 3 in the front.
Okay.
It's 8 times 3. So each gear in the front times the gear in the back. You know.
Okay.
I got 3. That's all I got.
Okay. I must be special, huh? Oh, you forgot the thing that we have to get from Mom. Okay. So, this is my first ride with this new bike, like out, really. So, I don't know guys, this might be azalea or something, but I like it. This is one of my dead bush during winter. But look, it's orange, that's why I like it. It is azalea. I don't know what's the matter with me, why I don't know my my flowers. But yeah, my husband always trim it winter time. So yeah, that's what it is right now. It just started to bloom. Look at that little bud. So cute, so pretty. Of course, cute, pretty, whatever. But yeah, that's what the flower look like. Yes guys, that's just like a little ball of bush. That's how my husband trim it nice, like a round little bush. So yep, that's what it looked like.